Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the video driver has crashed and was reset. Make sure your drivers are up to date. Error that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start off by opening up the search menu. Type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Double click on the display adapter section and then right click on whatever display adapter is listed under here and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You want to go ahead and select whatever driver looks most applicable for your device. So if you have a manufacturer specific one, I recommend selecting that and then select Next and then give it a moment to install. And then once that's done, close out of here. And then hopefully that should have resolved the problem just in itself. Something else we can try here as well would be closing out of here. Open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match, come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And on the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters. And now you want to locate video playback. So you might have to scroll down here a little bit and then select the run button that corresponds to it. And now you want to just go ahead and follow along with the troubleshooter. So just go ahead and see if it is able to detect anything here. And then just go along with the prompts. And then hopefully that would have resolved the problem. And once you're done with that, I would recommend restarting your computer. You can also try going onto the manufacturer's website of the drivers as well and see if there are any new drivers available from your display drivers. So something definitely to take a look at as well, whether you're using AMD, NVIDIA, Intel, for example. And I do have tutorials on my channel for each one of those individually, so just go ahead and search for it. Again, how to just update the graphics drivers for your device. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.